Hey everybody, what's up? My name is Brady, and today we're going to be working on part 2 of the Build an e-commerce site from scratch series. So today we're going to be working on this content part right here. It's going to be a little more complicated than this first part. There's going to be a few more parts to it, and this one I can guarantee will not look good until we get into the CSS part, which will be in 2 days, since I'm going to be uploading these videos every day. But let's just get straight into it. So with the content, right? Right here we want to have our content, and say we wanted like 3 boxes or like 3 areas for 3 different products. We would have to create 3 divs inside the div content. So let's do div flower A, right? And we could do this. We're gonna have 3 in this tutorial, but you could have as many as you like. And then it's gonna be A, B, and C. And inside of flower A, which will be our first product, the way we're doing this with CSS Grid is there's going to be 4 types or 4 areas inside of this already big one area. Once we get all the CSS in, you'll understand it completely. But if you don't understand what I'm talking about, I would suggest just copying my code. I'll have the link to my not my Discord, my GitHub in the description if you want to copy that down. But starting off, we're going to have the image of our product first. So we got to make our image tag, source. I don't really use alt, but we could do the source, and then we're just going to have a picture of a dandelion. So here it is. That's the first one we're selling, and then we could have a span tag, and I'll explain why in a second. We can have a span tag with the title or the name of the product. So we could do a pretty flower. Pretty flower. What's going? Oh my goodness. A pretty flower, and then we can have the description. Good in purple, I guess we could do. You can put whatever you want in these tags, and then we can have the H2 as a price. So we could do price and then like $5 if we're going real cheap. And then finally we can have an input type of number so that they can decide how many of something that they want. So as you can see, you click up blah blah blah. We should set the minimum to 0 so that they can, if they want, they can just like have 0 of this product. And then the ID will be FLA. We can just leave it like that. Yeah, flower A. So this is basically what we're going to be doing for the rest of these. So I'm just going to copy paste this into flower B and flower C, and then we can just make our minor adjustments. So we can just go on a website like pixabay.com if you've never heard of it. I'll have a link in the description for it. Basically, it just gives you royalty-free images. So we can do flower and just look up flower images. We could have this one right here. View image. Save this as a .jpg. JPEG, not JPEG. I don't even know what I was thinking there. And then we can go back and pick another one. Let's just do this pretty one right here. Save this. And then we're all set on images. Again, I'm going to have the source code in the description, including the images, so you won't have to go and find your own if you don't want to. So let's just change our second image. We can use the rows. And then our third image, we can just use I don't even know how to pronounce that. Oh my goodness. So there we go. Now we got all these different flowers. A pink flower. Good in pink. And then what's this other one? Is it Oh wait, no, this is wrong. This is the pink flower. This is pink. White flower. Good and white. And bam, there you go. So this is the basics of the HTML, and I'm going to go through and do this HTML and CSS, then JavaScript in that order. So I'm actually recording the next video and the CSS video today too, so I may just upload them all at once. I don't know. You guys can decide if you guys really want it. But this is the basic HTML of the product center or the content area, and I know it looks really gross and stuff, but trust me when I say this, it's gonna look great. So guys, thank you for watching. I did keep this around 10 minutes. I feel like 10 minutes. It's a pretty short one today. I'm going to try to keep these shorter so that they are doable. Like you can do these if you have a spare 20 minutes or whatever. But yeah, guys, thank you for watching. If you didn't see my first video, go check that out. It's in the playlist that you might be watching this from. And if you don't understand any of this, just yesterday, actually, I posted a HTML and CSS basics video. It's only about a half an hour long, so you can go check it out, and it probably won't take you that long. If you don't have any questions, or if you do have questions, you can just hit me up. I'll put my Discord in the description too, so you can just talk to me there. Or you could leave a comment. I'm usually pretty fast to respond. But with that said, guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.